Today is beach day today, and it's also the last day of work week, so we're gonna have so much fun. We got second place yesterday for the color wars, so now we're going all out so we can win. Okay guys, so I just got finished with a 2-hour class, and now I have a break till 11. The first class was at 9, so now I have a big break, which is good because now I can eat, and I just touched up my sunburn. Looks good. And after 11 we have the wars, where we see who wins the competition, either petites, juniors, teens, or seniors. I am a teen. And we got second yesterday, which was I was so mad. Our whole team is mad. And so we went outside of the studio and we sat on the ledge, like on the road. And then this grandma came up to us and asked if we were okay. And we were like, yeah, we're okay. And then our dance teacher walked out. But I'll show you some of the stuff that we did, and we are going to win today. We know we're gonna win. There's like no doubt at all. And if you didn't know, I'm the representative, so I have to look really great so I can do my dance off to win the color wars. We're coming for y'all. We're coming for you. And if you're wondering where I am under a tree. The teens tiki hut. We are so gonna win. Okay, so right now I'm going down to get some shoes, some half shoes for dance, because we have nationals next week, and I don't have any that fit, so we're gonna go get some new ones.
Are you here for the half shoes?
Yep. Okay. Just got the shoes. And I am now all set for nationals. And I have a break now, so I thought I was gonna do life lesson of the day. So roll the clip. So today's life lesson is make peace with your past so it won't screw up your present. And I really like this one because I thought it was true, and I feel like I always say that, but this one I do think it's really true, because if you've done stuff in the past, like bad things in the past, and that's all you think about every day, and you like regret it all the time, you just need to make peace with it. You just need to, say, I did it, I feel bad for it, I'm sorry for it, and you have to move on. Because if you keep going back to the past and just keep thinking about how wrong you were and things like that, it's just gonna screw everything up. You just need to let it go, and then you've changed if you think you have, and then life will be great. Just don't do it ever again. And that's the life lesson of the day. Hope you liked it. And I have like a 2-hour break now, so just sitting here on the bench where we talk.
like a hollow, hollow, hollow drum.
Yeah! And now we are leaving dance.
You can have Wi-Fi for the charge. Okay.
So I am going to bed. So goodbye, everyone. It's been a really long day. And have a very, very good day. Bye.